Welcome, friends, and today we will talk about what are the other methods that are available in NumPy to create array, means the array creations. So, friends, it's my request to all of you, please do subscribe this channel so that you will get a lot of educational videos on programming and Python, Android, Java microservices, Spring Boots, React Native, nearly all the programming language. So please help me to grow this channel. So let's start. So in the last section, we learn about what are the different methods available for the array creations, and here we will see how we will see the code snippet that how we can write the single line of code to create these kind of arrays. So first here, as you can see, this is the one. This is the one. So as you can see here, the first one is to use the reshape, the very common function that we particularly we use. So what you can do, you can use this particular empty method. Okay, you can use this empty method and the reshape function. So you can reshape your array by using reshape, and we know that the product should be something that will give you this output. For example, 2 cross 3 is always be the 6. So this is how you can use the empty. Let's see the other, what are the other available. And second one come here, the you can see wonderful function or method available, that name is I. Okay, so when you create an I, what it will do, it will create an identity, means type of the matrix, squaring it. So if you choose here 2 square, now you will get a 4. So 4 will be divided into 2 into 2, something like if you use 3, means 3 cross 3. All right, so let me try to use other one. Let's say, suppose if I change this to 3, you can see if I'm changing this to 3, and when I run it, first I need to run the NumPy. Okay, so here the NumPy is important to run, otherwise you won't get this particular object. So here when we try to run it, you will get, see, something like this: 100 010 0001. So it's something like you will get the output in a format of zeros and 1. And one more here, we will see the empty, means the empty array. You can see you will get an empty array of 0. Okay, and also you can create an NumPy array from the file. So this is a file somewhere saved here in a different text format, but it will generate an array of this file. So you can see when I run this file, it will generate an array of file like this. You can also create an array, NumPy array, from a function. So as you can see in this particular example, we are using a lambda expression and we were trying to generate 4 by 4 NumPy array. So when you run it, you will get something like this. And you can also create an identity, means of 1 and 0. So here you can see if I use 3, so it will create an identity of 1 and 0, same like that we particularly use in the I. And one more, linear space, that means the linear space widely used when you learn the machine learning. You will get a lot of examples that look like this of the linear space. So here the linear space means 0 to 2. Okay, we need to generate a 10 value. We need to generate a 10 value that is going to be incremented by 2. Okay, 0 to 2. Okay, so 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 8. So linear space is widely used in data analytics and machine learning. So some more, log space. So when you use you will get a logarithm value. Here you can see 4 to 5, number 3. So it will present return the 3 array of 3. Okay, 3 logs. And the next one is here we come the mgrid. So when you run the mgrid, it will create the multiple grid. For example, 0 to 4, 0 to 4. So it will create 2. You can see 0 to 4, 0 to 4, 2 times. Then the second come is the on grid. So if you use the on grid, it will generate 1 row and 1 column. So here you can see only 1 row. Okay, it will generate either in a format of column or in a format of row. And very common one that we particularly use the ones. So you can use ones to generate an array of one. One like will return you something like this. Okay, zero, it will generate the array of the zeros. Same thing, the zero like, it will generate the zero like with a single dimension. So these are some of the method that you can use for the array creation. I hope you like this. In the next, we will talk about some more other methods that we can use. And please, my friend, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and it's helped me to grow this channel and to create more and more videos on the programming. Thanks for watching it. Have a nice day.